Transferring Bitcoin from a Trust wallet to another wallet is very easy to do, so I'm going to show you how. Launch the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device, locate and select your Bitcoin wallet within the Trust Wallet application. Then look for an option like Send Bitcoin, or a similar function within the Bitcoin wallet. Now, copy and paste or manually enter the Bitcoin address to the recipient. Be extremely careful when you're entering the address to avoid any mistake. Then enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Some wallets also allow you to choose between transferring the entire balance or a specific amount. Double check the recipient's Bitcoin address and the amount to ensure accuracy. Depending on the wallet, you may have the option to choose the network fee. This fee determines how quickly the transaction will be. Higher fees usually result in faster confirmation. After that, confirm the transaction details and proceed with the transfer. If you have set up any security measures such as biometrics, a PIN, or a password, enter the required information to confirm the transaction. The Trust Wallet will process the transaction and you will need to wait for a bit to be confirmed. Transactions may take some time depending on network. Monitor the transaction status within the Trust Wallet application. You may receive a notification when the transaction is confirmed.